Ladies and gentlemen, good evening from Eastern North Carolina. Now listen here. Throughout this day, we're fixing to see some weak to severe thunderstorms develop. It ain't gonna be no small thing, y'all. We could be looking at some heavy rain, gusty winds, and even a few rumbles of thunder that might make you want to cozy up. Now, I gotta warn you, there's a low marginal threat, which means it's slim, but it's still there, of some brief, weak tornadoes popping up here and there. So it's best to stay alert. Keep your eyes on the sky and, more importantly, keep that NUA radio close by for updates. We don't want to catch nobody off guard with Mother Nature's mood swings. Now do we? So y'all do be careful out there this evening. Keep a lookout and stay tuned right here for all the latest. I'll be back with more as the day goes on. God bless and keep safe out there.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for the entirety of Verona-Onslow County. Main threats are flying debris and baseball-sized hail.
All right, y'all, this is it. I'm out here just a few miles from the outskirts of town, and look at that. There's a tornado starting to spin up right over there. Man, it's crazy how fast these things can come together. The wind's picking up something fierce. Can barely keep my footing. This is the real deal, folks. See how it's kind of thin right now, but looking mean? If you're near this, you better find cover. No joke. I'm gonna keep following it as long as I can, but safety first, you know. Gotta respect Mother Nature's power. Well, howdy y'all. This here's your weatherman speaking from Robeson County. Now, I gotta be honest with you. Our last few weather forecasts didn't quite hit the mark like we hoped. I've been taking a good look at the data, and I gotta tell you, the National Weather Service's predictions just didn't paint the full picture. We're fixing to see some storms roll in that are gonna be far stronger than what was first predicted. I'm talking powerful tornadoes, heavy rain, and some other wild weather anomalies that could really pack a punch. So, I'm asking y'all to take this seriously, keep your eyes peeled, and make sure you're ready for some rough weather ahead. Stay safe out there, and we'll keep you updated as things develop.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Jones County, North Carolina. A strong thunderstorm has been confirmed near Trenton. Rain hazards, any size, hail, wind gusts, downbursts, and weak tornadoes.
With water stored in the soil by conservation, corn production went up. Even though rainfall was less than half of normal, Chris got more corn from 28 acres.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for the entirety of Duplin County, North Carolina. Main hazards, baseball-sized hail and large tornado. This is a life-threatening situation. You are in imminent danger. Get to the lowest floor of your home or into the centermost room.
All right, everyone. This is your storm chaser reporting live from Duplin County, just south of Beulahville, North Carolina. It's about 9 in the morning, but look at this sky, creepily dark for this time of day. The National Weather Service has just confirmed a tornado in this area about south of Beulahville. I can tell by the look of those clouds in the atmosphere that this tornado is likely going to be a bad one. Conditions are definitely severe, and folks in this path need to take cover immediately. Stay safe out there, and I'll keep you updated as we get closer. The sky is almost sickly green.
A severe thunderstorm warning was issued for parts of Sampson County. Primary threats: large hail, wind gusts exceeding 40 miles per hour, downbursts, and weak tornadoes known as land spouts.
Holy smokes, folks. This here might be another November 16th situation. Please, I'm begging you, just take shelter right now. Get to the lowest floor of your home or building. Bathtubs, closets, anywhere safe. This tornado has just barely dodged Beulahville, and let me tell you, this tornado ain't no joke. It's already leveled some farmhouses and mangled a few mobile homes. Stay safe out there, y'all.
Okay, I'm in the closet. Door's shut tight. Can't believe this is happening. That tornado's getting closer. I can hear the wind howling. Holy smokes, it's loud. Like a freight train rolling right over us. I just gotta stay calm, stay low. Hope this old closet holds up. Please let this blow over quick. Man, I never thought I'd be hiding in here like this. Just keep praying, y'all.
This is an emergency action notification. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado emergency for the following locations: Duplin, Sampson. Effective immediately. Take shelter now. Nitrogen monoxide delay is permissible. This warning is issued. This warning is issued for a confirmed, extremely violent, non-survivable wedge tornado. Observed at 10:24 a.m. Eastern. Location 7 miles southwest of Chicleben. Movement northeast at 45 miles per hour. Estimated impact time less than 5 minutes. Current estimation profile. This phenomenon is exhibiting destructive power consistent with the highest end of the Fujita scale EF5+. Complete debris ingestion and ground scouring is confirmed along the path. Structural materials, including concrete and steel rebar, will be fully mobilized and converted into airborne shrapnel. This is a highly unusual and extremely dangerous situation. The system confirms an unprecedented pressure differential and near vacuum conditions at the base of the vortex. All residences and structures will experience total collapse and pulverization. Instructions: do not attempt to flee. Roadways are compromised and will be impassable. Attempting vehicle travel will result in fatality. Immediately seek the lowest level and the most central realm. Understand this is a life or death scenario. The system projects a near zero survivability rate for occupants of non-reinforced structures in the direct path. This is the final notification. Emergency services are withdrawn. All personnel have been instructed to secure their own safety. Also, a PDS tornado warning was issued for the entirety of northwestern Sampson.
have mercy. This is the worst tornado I've ever seen up close. It's taken a turn real similar to that one on November 16th. You remember that one, right? Man, it tore through everything. Look at all that debris flying through the air. Pieces of wood, metal, maybe even parts of a roof. It can't be good. I gotta stay focused. This storm's moving faster than I thought, and that turn's nasty. If I don't keep moving, I'm gonna get caught in the wrong spot.
WS has confirmed a large and violent tornado moving towards your area. This is a tornado emergency. At 10:29 a.m. Eastern, a catastrophic rain-wrapped wedge tornado was observed by reliable spotters and law enforcement 5 miles southwest of Sampson County border, moving northeast at 45 mph. Impact parameters: maximum potential damage, F3. F for destruction. This includes total structural annihilation and the creation of a mass casualty event. Storm intensity. The storm is currently displaying an unprecedented tornado debris signature, TDS, indicating the complete debris ingestion. Do not attempt to use overpasses or bridges. They are death traps. If you are unable to reach a basement or certified safe room, lie down in a ditch and cover your head, or take cover in the most interior, windowless closet on the lowest floor. Do not wait for visual confirmation. The debris shield is obscuring the vortex. The roar you hear is the sound of total systemic collapse. The National Weather Service strongly emphasizes that this is the most critical and life-threatening warning we can issue. The risk is catastrophic. Your survival depends on immediate action.
Good evening, everyone. We've been closely monitoring severe weather conditions across North Carolina tonight, and I'm relieved to report some positive news. The tornado that touched down earlier has just roped out and dissipated, moving away from populated areas. Our storm chasers and radar data confirm that the rotating funnel has weakened significantly and is no longer a threat. Emergency services remain on alert, but it appears the worst of the storm has passed. We urge everyone to stay cautious, as conditions can change rapidly, and to follow all safety instructions from local authorities. We'll continue to bring you updates as more information becomes available. Stay safe, North Carolina.